Jai Gurudev children. We have learnt about living and non-living things in our previous class. So in this class, let us revise about living and non-living things. Now, what are living things, children? Things which can breathe, grow, feel and can move on their own. Such things are called as living things. All living things need food, air and water. Very good, children. Now let's see the characteristics of living things. Living things need food, air and water. Living things can feel. They can grow. Living things can move on their own and they reproduce. They give birth to their young ones. Examples: human beings, animals, birds, insects, plants and trees. What are non-living things? Things that cannot breathe, grow, move and cannot feel. They are called as non-living things. And non-living things do not need food, air and water. Now let's see the characteristics of non-living things. Non-living things do not need food, air and water. They cannot feel. They cannot move. And they cannot grow. Non-living things do not have life. Examples: clothes, car, book, ball, bag, pencil, house, chair, etc. Children, all the things on earth is divided into two groups: natural things and man-made things. Very good. What are natural things? Things that are naturally present in nature and not made by man. They are called as natural things. All living things are natural things. For example, human beings, animals, birds, insects, plants and trees. Some of the natural things like sun, moon, stars, air, water, soil, etc. All these things have no life. So these are the examples for natural, non-living things. Now, what are man-made things, children? Things made by man for our use and comfort are called as man-made things. All man-made things are non-living things. For example, bag, book, pen, pencil, eraser, clothes, chair, car, bus, bicycle, television, etc. All these things have no life. So they are all non-living things. We also understood that how living things help each other and how living things and non-living things are dependent on each other. Children, we have few exercises in our textbook. which we are going to solve it now. I will be reading the questions and you will help me in answering those questions. The same thing will also be sent in OLO. You can take the help of your parents and solve it. This is Rishi's garden. Write all that you see in the garden. Children, observe the picture carefully and identify the things and the characters in this picture. Did you all observe and identify the characters and things in this picture? Very good. Shall we name them now? Yes. What is this, children? Yes, it's a bird. What about this? What is this, children? Yes, it's a house. Now, can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are trees. Now, can you identify which animal is this? Yes, it's a cat. Cat is playing with the ball. Very good. Now, what is this, children? It's a cycle. What about this, children? What is this? Yes, it's a swing. And where do we find the swing? Yes, we find the swing in the park. And some of us have it at home. Now, what is this, children? It's a ball. And who is playing with the ball here? Yes, children are playing with the ball. Very good. What about this, children? What is this? Butterflies. Very good. Write the name of the things in the picture that can feel, grow, move, and need food and air. Children, now you have to observe the picture carefully and answer these questions. Now, can you observe and tell me the things that can feel? Think, children. Observe it carefully. Yes, it's a bird, cat, butterflies, children, and trees. Very good. Now, can you observe and tell me the things that can grow? Trees. Very good. Bird, cat, children, and butterflies. Very good, children. Now, can you observe and tell me the things that can move on their own? Cat, bird, children, butterflies. Very good. Now, observe the things that need food and air. Children. Very good. Cat, butterflies, bird, and trees. Very good, children. First question. Circle those that move on their own. Car, cat, chair, boy, rat. Children, identify the things that can move on their own. Think, children. Yes, it is cat, boy, and rat. Very good. Now, second question. Circle those that need food. Plant, spoon, horse, toy, rabbit, and fish. Children, identify the things that need food. Think, children. Yes, it is plant, horse, rabbit, and fish. Very good. Now let's go to the third question. Here are some non-living things. Put them in their right place. Water, chair, air, stone, plane, moon, box. Children, here plane means it's an airplane. Now they have given you few non-living things. Now we have to identify whether it is a natural non-living thing or man-made non-living things. Now think, children, whether water comes under natural non-living thing or man-made non-living thing. Water is a natural non-living thing. Very good. Now the second option is chair. Chair comes under man-made non-living thing. Very good. Next, air. Air is a natural non-living thing. Next, stone. Stone is a natural non-living thing or man-made non-living thing? Yes, it is natural non-living thing. Now next one, it's a plane. So plane is an aeroplane. So aeroplane comes under natural or man-made? It is a man-made non-living thing. Next, moon. So moon comes under natural or man-made? Yes, it is natural non-living thing. Next, box. So box comes under natural or man-made? Yes, it is man-made non-living thing. Now let's go to the fourth question. Circle the odd one out in each of the following. Now observe the first picture. Fish, rabbit, glass. Fish, rabbit, glass. Children, can you identify the odd one here? Think, children. Yes, it is glass, because glass is a non-living thing, whereas fish and rabbit is a living thing. Very good. Now let's go to the second picture. Cow, snake, sunglasses. Cow, snake, sunglasses. Now can you identify the odd one here? Think, children. Yes, it is sunglasses, because sunglasses is a non-living thing, whereas cow and snake is a living thing. Very good. Now let's go to the Third one. Bird, guitar, football. Bird, guitar, football. Now can you identify the odd one here? Think, children. Yes, it is bird, because bird is a living thing, whereas guitar and football is a non-living thing. Very good. Now let's go to the fourth picture. Dog, horse, scissors. Dog, horse, scissors. Now can you identify the odd one? Yes, it is scissors, because scissors is a non-living thing, whereas dog and horse is a living thing. Now let's go to the next picture. Airplane, ant, bow and arrow. Aeroplane, ant, bow and arrow. Now can you tell me the odd one here? Yes, it is ant, because aeroplane and bow and arrow is a non-living thing, whereas this ant is a living thing. Very good. Now let's go to the last picture. Frog, plant, chair. Frog, plant, chair. Now can you identify the odd one? Think, children. Yes, it is chair, because chair is a non-living thing, whereas frog and plant is a living thing. Very good, children. Excellent. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Stay safe and take care, children.